Why don't planes use square windows? At first, it sounds like a small question, but the answer involves engineering, safety, and an important lesson from aviation history. When you look at a modern airplane, you'll notice the windows are round, oval, or smoothly curved. You almost never see square windows on passenger aircraft. That is not because round windows look better. It is because they are much safer. To understand why, we need to look at what happens when a plane flies high in the sky. At cruising altitude, the air outside the aircraft is very thin, and the pressure is much lower than what humans need to breathe comfortably. Because of that, airplanes pressurize the cabin. This means the air pressure inside the plane is kept much higher than the pressure outside. Every time a plane climbs, cruises, and lands, the aircraft body expands and contracts slightly because of this pressure difference. That creates stress on the fuselage, which is the main body of the aircraft. Doors, seams, and windows are all areas where that stress becomes important. Now here is where shape matters. Square windows have sharp corners. Sharp corners naturally collect force and pressure in one small area. Engineers call this stress concentration. When too much stress focuses on the same point again and again, tiny cracks can begin to form. At first, those cracks may be invisible, but after many flights, they can grow larger and become dangerous. A round window works differently. Because it has smooth curves and no sharp corners, the pressure spreads more evenly around the entire frame. There is no single point where force builds up intensely. That makes the structure stronger and much more resistant to fatigue over time. This lesson became famous in the early jet age. Some of the first commercial jet aircraft used square-shaped windows. Those airplanes were revolutionary and much faster than older propeller aircraft. But after repeated flights, investigators discovered that cracks could form near the corners of square windows and other openings because of constant pressurization cycles. That discovery changed aircraft design forever. Engineers realized that even a small design detail like window shape could make a huge difference in safety. Since then, modern airliners have used rounded windows as a standard feature. But window shape is only one part of the story. Today's airplane windows are also made with multiple layers, strong materials, careful sealing systems, and strict inspection standards. Aircraft are tested to handle thousands of flights, changing temperatures, vibration, and pressure cycles. Still, the round shape remains one of the smartest and simplest solutions in aviation design. It improves durability, reduces weak points, and helps protect passengers on every journey. So the next time you sit by the window on a plane and look out at the clouds, remember this: that small round window is not just there for the view. Its shape is the result of science, experience, and decades of engineering improvements designed to keep you safe in the sky.